Hi, I'm Donna, your Get Set Up guide. Zoom has become a vital part of our online living and learning lives. It's a way to stay connected with your family and friends, chat together, and play games together. Zoom has also become an important way to attend classes and groups that we enjoy online. But are you a beginner with Zoom and you feel like others in your classes know it better? Well, then this class is for you. In this class, you will learn about how to control your sound and video during Zoom sessions, how to use chat, how to rename yourself, how to raise your hand and interact with Zoom hosts. We will also cover Zoom etiquette during the meetings. You will learn how to adjust your screen view from gallery to speaker view. You will learn about using virtual backgrounds. We will push all the buttons so you can feel confident when attending your next Zoom class. A recent learner took this class and said, "The instructions and what to do were great. I learned today more from her than using Zoom tutorials. I feel confident in myself that I can use Zoom and do a meeting thanks to today's class." So if you think could use a little extra help with Zoom, or maybe you just want a refresher, come join our class, meet and connect with our learners, and have some fun.